Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a transformation video. In this video I'm going to explain you all the techniques I have followed and achieved this flawless look. So if you're interested to watch this video, please keep on watching. But before that, if you're looking at this face for the first time, please do hit that red subscribe button and also do hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let's get into the video. First step is moisturizing your skin because this will help your makeup last longer and the makeup to go smooth onto your skin without accentuating any dry patches. So for moisturizing, I'm using Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Bio Saffron Moisturizer. It's a mouthful. It's actually an anti-aging moisturizer and I've been using this from the month of December. The second step is to prime your face. I'm using my primer just to even out some textures so that my pores will be filled in. For primer, I'm using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer, and it's a very nice silicone based primer. Covers your pores very well. So for foundation, I'm using the Super Stay from Maybelline. It's a 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm going to take a tiny bit, as you can see, a tiny half a pump I have taken. I'm in the shade number 310. I'm going to use my brush first and apply this all over my face. And then I'm going to go over with Beauty Blender so that it looks natural and the brush strokes will be gone. So when you're applying the foundation, you have to keep one thing in mind. You have to concentrate maximum amount of product where you have flaws and where you want to cover. So for me is the cheek area because I have a bit of pimple marks or acne marks. So next step I'm going to do is brows. For brows, I'm going to use a L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Brow Pomade, and I'm in the shade 106 Ebony. Next step is concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use two shades. So the first one I'm going to use is LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer, and I am in the shade Medium Beige. On top of that, just to give some brightening effect, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Perfect Match Concealer, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige over here. It's a bit lighter concealer. The next step is the exciting part. It's the eye makeup. You can very well identify she's Malayali by looking at her eyes. According to me, Malayalis have very nice big eyes, which is doll-like, and it's a really attractive feature in them. First step, what you need to do is to tightline your eyes. Tightline means to line your upper waterline and also the lower waterline. So for that, I'm going to use a gel liner so that it is very long lasting and budge proof. After this, I'm going to use liquid liner, line my top lash line as well as the lower lash line. You need to create this kind of wing. It's actually not the cat wing kind of thing. It's just extending the top eyelash liner and also joining it with a lower eyelash liner. Just bring it little bit out like this, as you can see, something like this, so that your eyes are defined. And similarly I'm going to extend my inner corner as well. Do not extend it again too much, otherwise it will look like an Arabic eye, so that's not what we trying to do. So I'm going to use a bit of pink liquid tint. This is from Face Shop. It's the watery tint. It's their watery tint in the shade Pink Bella. So you can see the dramatic difference, right? Eyes is the main attracting point. So now let's get back to the skin and do the rest of the makeup. I have used a matte foundation. If you have used a dewy foundation, then you can complete the look by using a lipstick and some blush, but I have used a matte foundation, so I'm going to use a bit of liquid highlighter here. Liquid highlighter I'm using is from the Swiss Beauty. It's their liquid highlighter in the shade 03 Metal. Metal is actually very close to my skin tone, so that it looks like a natural. For mascara, before mascara, I always prefer curling my lashes. For curling my lashes, I'm using the Miniso curler. I'm using the trusty Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. It's the waterproof mascara, so it's going to give that voluminous lashes. I'm not going to use any kind of falsies. We are yet to apply our lipstick. So for lips, I'm going to use this liner from Wet n Wild. It's in the shade Chestnut. Chestnut is actually not a darker kind of shade, it's more nudie brown shade. So I always prefer lining my lips using Chestnut. I'm using a liquid lipstick and I'm going with the nude lips because I just wanted to keep the concentration on my eyes. For lipstick, I'm using this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Sensationally Me. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you find this video interesting and you like this look, please do hit that like button. Please do hit that subscribe button if you haven't hit till now. You can also follow me on my social media platforms. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. See you in my next video, guys. Until then, take care, be safe, bye.